All right, so these red snapper were caught in Venice, Louisiana, 2 days ago. And all I'm gonna do is make deep incisions in the flesh, going down about 3 or 4 on each one, maybe 5 on this guy. Again, I'm just gonna season it with a little salt and pepper and olive oil, and then throw it right on top of the grill. But you wanna make sure they're nice and dry. Olive oil. Nothing too fancy. That big guy, hot side. All 4 of these butters. Basically, I'm gonna make a butter herb brush for the fish. So as it cooks and roasts, you can continue to just baste that fish in butter and herbs. A little more olive oil just to give it some extra fruitiness. A little dollop. Bit of green onion there, then a little herb pack of marjoram and thyme, just right down in there. I'm just gonna let that really get nice and hot and sizzly.